In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize titles for your charts in Looker Studio. It's super clear and easy to follow, so you'll be up and running in no time. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to make sure that you have your report open in edit mode. This is crucial because edit mode is where you can make all the necessary changes and customizations to your charts. Once you're in edit mode, you'll have access to everything you need to begin. Now, with your report open, browse through your charts and select the one you'd like to add a title to. You can do this simply by clicking on the chart within your report. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice that the Properties panel on the right side of your screen becomes active, providing you with a range of options. Next, move over to the Properties panel and click on the Style tab. The Style tab is where you find various customization options for your chart's appearance. This is integral for making your charts not only informative, but also visually appealing. Within the Style tab, you'll want to focus on the section specifically labeled Chart Title. Here, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Show Title. By default, this might be turned off, so go ahead and enable this toggle. By doing this, you're allowing the chart title to become visible on your chart. Once you've switched on the Show Title toggle, you'll notice a field that appears where you can enter your custom title. This is your opportunity to personalize your chart by typing in a title that best reflects the information it conveys. Make sure your title is clear and descriptive so that anyone viewing the chart instantly knows what the data is about. As you type your title into the provided field, it'll automatically replace the default text that was there. This gives you immediate feedback on how your new title looks with your chart, allowing you to make any adjustments if necessary. And just like that, you've successfully added and customized a title for your chart in Looker Studio. It's a simple process, but one that makes a big difference in enhancing the communication and understanding of your data. Make sure to take a step back, look at your titled chart, and ensure it fits well with the overall design and intention of your report. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video has helped you learn how to make your charts more effective and engaging with customized titles. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to explore other features in Looker Studio to continue tweaking and improving your data presentations. Until next time, happy charting!